Hello, my name is Natalie Chun. I'm this year's chair of Polydemia. Polydemia is a charity aimed to provide free revision support for underprivileged GCSE students around the UK. In 2020, many schools had to enter lockdown due to the COVID-19 pandemic, preventing many talented students from getting the educational support they needed. Polydemia was established in response to this, and since then, we have continued to support dozens of students in their crucial exam years. All our tutors are top A-level students that excelled in their GCSEs and are now volunteering to help you be the best you can be. We also create educational videos to help you revise wherever you are. In this video, we will look at the behind the scenes of Polydemia, meeting some of the many volunteers that drive our charity forwards.
Hi everyone, I'm Beatrice, and I was a former tutor for Polydemia. I am now working as a manager in the promotion department. Polydemia tutors work directly with our students, making sure that each and every one of them do well in their studies and provide personalized support so they can better understand the content. When I was a tutor, I helped 4 GCSE students, 2 in biology and 2 in chemistry. I had one-to-one lessons with my students once every week, and I did my best to help them with the content, as well as techniques to help them in their exams. Behind the teaching scenes, I also prepare lesson plans for my students every week. Sometimes these take hours. I also try to tailor the lessons to what my students need as much as possible. I prepare my homework based on the questions they have the most trouble with. The best part about tutoring was watching my students begin to understand concepts they previously struggled with. Seeing them improve was so rewarding for me as a tutor.
Hello everyone, I'm Bob, the Head of Service Manager. I've been working with Polydemia for around a year and a half. My team and I handle every student application we received and match you with our volunteers tutors. We create timetables, keep track of your attendance, and remind you if you missed arranged sessions. To ensure that our sessions meet safeguarding standards, we inspect our sessions frequently and offer teaching suggestions to tutors. Apart from leading service managers, I'm also taking care of Polydemia's cloud infrastructure. As some sort of IT guy in Polydemia, I speed up the administration process with some fancy automated codes. Volunteering for Polydemia is great since we have a lot of passionate members, and we can always learn something from each other. I'm proud of what I'm doing here, and I would recommend you to join us. Here's Chris to tell you more about fundraising.
Hi, I'm Chris, and I'm the head of fundraising. I've been working with Polydemia for 1 year. In the fundraising sector, we are more relaxed and there are only 2 to 3 meetings per school term. In the meeting, we talked about what might be a good idea for fundraising sales. I also take the role of encouraging other members to come up with creative ideas. Other than organizing fundraising sales, I'm also in charge of work allocation in my team. This includes buying ingredients, baking, setting up stalls, and taking care of the stalls. We aim to raise more funds to maintain the quality of teaching in Polydemia, and to increase the number of applicants as we use fundraising as a form of promotion. The funds raised are also used to support Polydemia's cost of operation, such as investment in web page design and advertising, so we could gain access to as many students in need of our service as possible.
Hi, I'm Terrence and the head of Polydemia's video creators. In the video creator sector, we have weekly online meetings where we make 1-minute videos that could help you in your GCSE revision. Each one is bite-sized so you can watch while you're on the bus or waiting for your next class to start. Part of my job is to uphold a standard among our videos. It is important to invite members to provide feedback and ideas to make videos that are informative, concise, and appealing. One thing we have recently been working on is expanding to also make longer videos, where we have a look at exam-style questions, so look out for that in upcoming weeks.
Polydemia strives to provide quality services to as many students as possible. You can sign up through our link in the description or find out more information through our socials.